Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is John and I make personal finance simple, from saving money to investing and building wealth. If that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. Now, let's get into the 7 steps to save $10,000 in 2025. Step 1. Set a timeline. The first step is to set a clear timeline. Saving $10,000 in 12 months means about $833 a month, or $27 a day. Breaking it down into smaller chunks makes it less overwhelming. If 12 months feels too fast, give yourself 18 or 24 months. The key is clarity. Know exactly how much you need to save each week. Step 2. Cut the big 3 expenses. Most of your money goes to housing, transportation, and food. If you want to hit $10,000, this is where the biggest wins are. Housing. Get a roommate, negotiate rent, or refinance. Transportation. Drive your car longer, or switch to cheaper options. Food. Cook at home instead of eating out. Small changes here can save you hundreds every single month. Step 3. Automate your savings. This is the game changer. As soon as your paycheck hits, have a percentage automatically transferred to a high-yield savings account. You'll never miss what you don't see. Automation is how you save consistently without relying on willpower. Step 4. Start a side hustle. If you're serious about saving $10,000, you can't just cut, you have to earn more too. Start a side hustle in 2025. That could be freelancing, reselling, driving for Uber, or even creating content. An extra $200 minus $500 a month can fast-track you to your $10,000 goal. Step 5. Eliminate subscriptions and lifestyle creep. Check your subscriptions. Streaming, apps, memberships, they add up. Cancel what you don't use. Also, beware of lifestyle creep. Just because you got a raise doesn't mean you should upgrade everything. Instead, bank that extra income toward your $10,000 goal. Step 6. Track every dollar. What gets measured, gets managed. Use a simple budgeting app or even a notebook to track where every dollar goes. You'll be shocked at how much leaks out without you realizing. Once you see the numbers, it's way easier to cut back and stay on track. Step 7. Invest while you save. Here's the advanced step. Don't just let all your money sit. Once you have your emergency fund set aside, consider investing part of your savings in something safe and steady, like index funds. This way, your money grows while you're building toward your $10,000 goal. So here's the 7-step plan to save $10,000 in 2025. 1. Set a timeline. 2. Cut the big 3 expenses. 3. Automate savings. 4. Start a side hustle. 5. Eliminate subscriptions and lifestyle creep. 6. Track every dollar. 7. Invest while saving. Follow these steps, and $10,000 is not just possible, it's guaranteed. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, it really helps the channel grow. Comment below. What would you do with an extra $10,000 saved up? I'd love to hear your answers. And don't forget to subscribe for more weekly personal finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.